Welcome to Awr Ddaear here in Wales. Croeso I Awr Ddaear yng Nghymru. We want people to think about what can they do to help care for the future of this planet. And in particular this year, we'd like people to think about the energy they use. Kind of focus on that and think, how can you use less, but also how can we wean ourselves off fossil fuels and on cleaner, renewable energy for the future. So here in Wales, there are events happening all around Wales, not just individuals turning their lights off, but landmarks all over the place, from the Senedd buildings in Cardiff to the National Library in Aberystwyth to Carnarvon Castle and Venue Cymru. They're joining the Eiffel Tower and Sydney Opera House in turning off for Awr Ddaear. But Awr Ddaear is a global movement now. It started in Sydney 5-6 years ago, but now there are hundreds of millions of people all around the world who switch off their lights for 60 minutes this night every year to show how much they care about the planet. This year we've had some poetry written especially for this event, so that one of our suggestions of what you do in the dark is maybe you read some poetry or make it up.
Crust, let out my steam, shower in my eternal heat. Let me warm you in my winter and cool you in my summer. Stop grinding your machine's teeth against
Will my allotment shrinking vigour be released? Or will I diffuse more?
When we turn our lights off, that's what we're going to listen to. So I hope all of you are enjoying your Awr Ddaear like we're going to enjoy ours here in Cardiff.